Hey guys, this crypto class in today's video I brought you update on Union. The V3 has finally been launched. V1, V2, V3. I don't know what Union is cooking, but I know it's going to be massive because there are limited testers which has patience to stay on this particular project. Secondly, it involves both yapping and also on-chain transactions and building of XP. Now this is an incentive and community driven also. All right, so this is going to cook massive. I've always been telling you guys about union. Now this what the V3 entails, like what the V3 is all about. Now they improve on BNB smart chain and Osmosis. But before we go into this particular video, if you are new on this particular channel and you haven't subscribed, this crypto class will bring you updates on cryptocurrency, airdrop, web3, anything you need to know about cryptocurrency. Quickly hit on the subscription button and make sure you turn on your bell icon to all, so that YouTube will always notify you anytime we post any new video like this. And quickly go ahead and give us a thumb up button to help us increase our algorithm. Share to your friends and comment on the comment section. And quickly, let's get started. I will show you how you are going to transact on the BNB smart chain. I guess the test concept is not working properly. I've tried for like 3 days now. I've not been collecting faucet. Tried to check what could be the problem, but I've not find out yet. But if you have it, you can drop it on the comment section. All of us are here to learn. All right, but let me quickly explain how you are going to do it if you have been collecting faucets before on other testnet chains. All right, like the Sapoli, the Oloski, the USDC that you have been collecting under Sapoli and under Oloski. You are going to be, it's going to be helping you. All right, that Ethereum Sapoli is going to be helping you this time around. All right, now I've been able to convert some. You can only transact from Babylon and Testnet to these two chains, which are Osmosis and that of BNB smart chain. Now since the BNB smart chain concept is not available, I don't know whether it's working on other people's system or other people's end. So what I do is I use the alternative. What is the alternative? I go directly to this transfer, go to Sapoli. Now I've converted, all right, I've converted some USDC to my Con or Babylon, to my Babylon. This is how you are going to do it, but it's going to reflect after 2 hours. So my own is not going to be showing here. I have about 63, 63, yes, 63, and I've transferred 40, and it's here to arrive on the Babylon testnet. All right, so what you need to do is to come to your Sapoli. You have collected enough USDC. If you have been doing that, click on the USDC. Now click on Babylon and then transact. Let me transact 10 instead right here from my USDC. I'm going to collect faucet back, so it will not be hard for me to get back on this faucet. So the gas fee is here, and then I will click on transfer, click on approve. All right, this is an alternative shortcut to it because the BNB smart chain is not working. I'm going to show you. You are going to see it by yourself and know that there's a problem between the faucet, except they are going to improve on the faucet collection. So waiting for my wallet to sign in and confirm, and then I'll still wait for the approval of this transfer. All right, so I'll click on submit and then also confirm the transaction as well. All right, so once this went, all right, I've transferred 40 before plus, then now it's going to be 50, but the gas fee is much. Each transaction that you are going to be doing on BNB smart chain is going to be costing you 1.2 USDT or anything of the gas fee. Let's say you are using USDC, so it's going to be costing us 1.21 USDC per pinch of any transaction you did. That means you need enough faucet to stay on this. All right, so you can see transfer successful. Then how do you go about this transfer? Let me show you something. If you click on this Sapoli and you want to transfer to BNB smart chain, it's not going to be available. You can see the chain is not available right here. If you click on other chains, Xeon and the rest, it's not going to work. So the best approach is for you to click on this, select your Babylon. Once you select your Babylon, then once you select your Babylon here, all right, then you are going to see the ones available that you have tokens on. All right, so you have token on this, you have token on Xeon, so you click on it. This Testnet, I don't think is going to work out. Okay, I selected Testnet. I was surprised. So I'm going to select Babylon here. All right, now the USDC I sent did not go. All right, have not arrived yet. Sorry, it has not arrived. So what you need to do is to click on the USDC. Once it's arrived, then click on BNB smart chain. You can see that Babylon can transact across all of them, all the chains. So you quickly click on it and you can see my balance right here. This was transaction I was doing before, maybe transacting to get my XP before, that gave me this. All right, now you can see the gas fee 1.24 for gas fee for each transaction you make on BNB smart chain or BSC testnet. So it's very high. Now if it arrives, that means our 50 might be able to help us to do 20 transactions. So that means you just need to stay on this, keep collecting faucets, keep collecting 20, and you needed 100 transaction is going to give you 10 SP. That is the SP allocated to it. Then if you stay on it for 5 days, you are going to be getting 5 SP. The same thing as Osmosis. Is only Babylon testnet that is working on 2 of them. The same thing as Osmosis, but that one involves lesser gas fee, 0.2. So, and if you stay 5 days, you are going to get 5 SP, and if you transact 100, you are going to be getting your 10 SP, all piled up, going to give you 30 SP. And that of Union Core that is coming up, I think it should be next week, but they have a cast today, all right, being Thursday. So we join them on the cast, but the main one that is going to give you 20 SP is the one of next week. So don't neglect any of their call, join them. I just want to show you one more thing and then we can close this. All right, you already know how to collect for self. Look at the BNB smart chain. It has been loading for over 1 hour ago, so it's not working. That is it. Now this is beta. This thing is new. You can see how transaction is going on this Union testnet. If you can look through this, you can see transaction is going on. People are transacting every minute, every seconds. They are transacting. You can see transfer within 5 minutes, 1 hour, 7 days, 30 days. You can see that people has transacted. That is what I did by creating Union community on X. Some of you have not joined. All right, join our Telegram so that you can join, so that I will keep you, even if it's a reminder to you to keep on transacting. People are already going deep in transaction on this, so you can't afford to miss it. So just quickly, this is just the quick update on the Union V3, and do have a great day and see you in my next video, as I will keep you posted.